Hi developers, this video is about hyperlinks and how to use image tag. Coming to hyperlinks, the A tag is used to create hyperlinks which links to other pages or resources. So let's go to index.html page. Here we will use A tag. Okay, so this href we need to specify the URL. Let's say URL is https:/google.com. Okay, and here we will write visit Google. Okay, so now here href attribute, it specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Okay, and clicking on this link it will navigate to this URL. Okay, so now let's save the file and let's go to browser. Okay, so here we have got visit Google. Once we click on it, we will go to google.com link. Okay, so this is the use of creating hyperlinks using A tag. Now if you want to insert images, we will use image tag. Okay, so this image tag is used to embed images in a web page. Suppose we have a image aeroplane.jpg. We have this image and we want to show it in the browser. So here we will use src and alt attribute in that. Let's go to index file. Here we will use image tag. Let's create an image tag. We have src attribute and alt attribute. So src attribute, it specifies the image file location. So we will directly place aeroplane.jpg because it is in the root folder. And alt attributes, it provides the alternative text if the image fails to load. Okay, so suppose in any case of error, image is not able to load. So alt attribute, it provides the alternate text if the image doesn't load. So here we can write aeroplane image. Okay, so let's save it and go to browser. Okay, we see this image is there. Okay, suppose if place the wrong name and let's go there, we will get this alt attribute which we have mentioned as aeroplane image. Okay, so this is the concept of how to insert images with img tag. Okay, and this alt attribute, it is crucial for accessibility and SEO. SEO means search engine optimizations, because search engines uses alt text to understand the content of the image. And for accessibility, it has a good use because screen readers describes the image using alt text for visually impaired users. So these are the benefits for alt attributes.